One day I will stop falling in love with you someday. Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. It's Kuya Clint, where I teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. So quick disclaimers first, we're going to be learning this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible. Aside from that, I'm going to be teaching this to you guys as simple as possible, as much as I can, so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so when it comes to the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. First up is going to be the E minor 7 chord, then the G minor 7 chord, A7, D major 7, D7, B7, F sharp minor 7, G major 7, G minor major 7. I preferably like to do it like this. You can either do it like that or like this, where you use your index finger to bar the G and the B strings together, and then going to be playing the D string with your middle finger on the 4th fret, which is going to be like this, and then pressing it with your thumb right here on the 3rd fret on the lower E string, like so. You can play it like this, or even like this. Depends on your preference and your style when it comes to playing these chords in your guitar. Doesn't really matter that much. Yeah, confusing, I know. C major 7. And those are your chords. Okay, so when it comes to the plucking pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. Allow me to demonstrate. It's going to be like this. Yep, just like that. Allow me to break that down for you. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to be plucking the bass string, which could either be the lower E string or the A string, depending on the chord that you're playing at that time. It's going to be the D string, then the G and the B strings all together. Yep, just like that. So if you prefer to play so when it comes to chords such as the G major 7 chord, for example, the root note is going to be on the lower E string, so your bass is going to be on the lower E string as well. It's going to be bass, D, G and B strings together. Yep, together it's... Yep, same thing when it comes to the E minor 7 chord, for example, but this time instead of the lower E string, your root note is going to be the A string now this time. Just like that. And once you finally figured that out, that plucking pattern will be worked for 2 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing. Okay, so when it comes to the intro section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so when it comes to the first verse section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Feeling kinda sick tonight. All I've had is coffee and leftover pie. It's no wonder why. Still you take up all my mind. I don't even think that you care like I do. I should stop. Heaven knows I've tried. Okay, Okay, so when it comes to the first chorus section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. One day I will stop falling in love with you. Someday someone will like me like I like you. Until then I'll drink my coffee, eat my pie, pretend that we are more than friends. Then of course I'll let you break my heart again. Okay, so when it comes to the second verse section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I'm just trying to understand what I am to you. More than songs we've exchanged, midnight calls, sunset views. Promise I don't mean to cry, but I get overwhelmed and confused. If only you knew what I felt like. And lastly, for the outro section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. Once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. One day I will stop falling in love with you. Someday someone will like me like I like you. Until then I'll drink my coffee, eat my pie, pretend that we are more than friends. Then of course I'll let you break my heart again. Someday, one day, I will stop falling in love with you. Until I do, I'll be thinking of you. Let you break my heart again. You could do it like this, or like this, even like this. Something, anything. Depends on you and your preference when it comes to playing this song anyway. And yeah, that is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And I'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other Laufey guitar tutorials, or any other guitar tutorials for that matter, just click these ones right here. It's all good. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.